Dear students, we can study the next portion of the chapter Motion. Here we will study about acceleration, positive and negative acceleration, uniform and non-uniform acceleration. This is the speedometer of a car which measures its speed. Here, this car was moving with a speed of 100 km per hour, then decreases to a value, then again it increases. Or we can say there happens a change in the speed of the car. In other manner, we can say there happens a change in the velocity of the car. A velocity change happens when the magnitude of the speed, direction or both changes. Here, because of the change in speed, there happens a change in velocity. So to measure that change in velocity within a particular time, we use a physical quantity called acceleration. Acceleration is the physical quantity which measures the change in velocity of an object in unit time, or acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. If u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity of a moving object, then acceleration a is equal to v minus u divided by t. We know that acceleration is the change in velocity divided by time. Let's look at the SI unit of acceleration. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second and that of time is second. Thus the SI unit of acceleration will become meter per second divided by second, which is equal to meter per second square. Acceleration is a vector quantity which needs both magnitude and direction. Magnitude means magnitude of speed and direction means direction from the origin. Based on that, we can say whether one object is in positive acceleration or in negative acceleration. With some simple examples, we can understand whether that object is in positive acceleration or in negative acceleration. First case, in which the object is moving towards right from the origin and its speed is increasing. Since it is moving towards right, its direction will be positive. And there happens an increase in the speed, so the magnitude of speed is also positive. In such a condition, that object is in positive acceleration. Second case, in which the object is moving towards right from the origin and its speed is decreasing. Since it is moving towards right, the direction is positive and there happens a decrease in the speed, the magnitude of speed is negative. In this case, that object is in negative acceleration. It is also termed as deceleration. A decrease in speed indicates deceleration. So in this case, the object is moving towards right and its speed is decreasing. Third case, in which the object is moving towards left and its speed is decreasing. Since it is moving towards left, its direction is negative and the magnitude of speed is also negative. In such a case, that object is in positive acceleration. Even though it is in positive acceleration, it is deceleration. Since there happens a decrease in the speed, we can consider it as deceleration. Object is moving towards left and its speed is decreasing. Fourth case in which the object is moving towards left and its speed is increasing. Since it is towards left, its direction is negative and the magnitude of speed is positive. In this condition, that the object is in negative acceleration. But it is not deceleration because its speed is increasing. The acceleration is taken to be positive if it is in the direction of velocity and negative when it is opposite to the direction of velocity. A uniform acceleration is a motion in which the change in velocity with time is uniform. The motion of a freely falling object is an example of uniform acceleration. The motion of an object that rolls down through an inclined plane is an example of uniformly accelerated motion. If the velocity of an object changes at a non-uniform rate, then the object is said to be in non-uniform acceleration. If a car traveling along a straight road increases its speed by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, then the car is said to be moving with non-uniform acceleration. During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remains constant with time. In this case, the change in velocity of the object for any time interval is 0. So the object will not possess any acceleration. If the object is in non-uniform motion, then it possesses acceleration.